Welcome to Getty-Dubay Italic Calligraphy Family 7. The left-hander will have the paper positioned in this manner so that when the pen is in the hand, it will line up with the 45-degree pen edge angle and be similar to the picture of the pen. The right-hander is going to turn the page so that it is straight up and down, and we'll always begin with establishing that 45-degree pen edge angle, the diagonal of a square, and to make the thinnest line and the thickest line. The secret of success in calligraphy is to have a consistent pen edge angle. Downstroke for the plus, horizontal for the plus, and you can do the infinity sign. The new letters for this Family 7 group are O, E, C, and S. So we're going to begin with that diagonal of a square, and the first stroke of the O is going to be this elliptical curve, starting with a hairline and ending with a hairline, like so. Starting with a hairline, elliptical curve, touching the baseline, and ending with a hairline. When we do this, I will do this one more time, we always want to overlap. So overlap that hairline, touch the waistline, elliptical curve. And if we have a nice looking O, it will look the same upside down as right side up. E builds on this. So our first stroke looks just like the same stroke for the O. Begins with a hairline, elliptical curve, touches the baseline, ends with a hairline. And we want to overlap. So we'll do this one more time for that first stroke, and overlap, curve, and come in horizontally at the center. First stroke of the E, second stroke. Diagonally come in with a horizontal stroke. I want to show you how the E builds on the O form. So there's an O, and you can actually do an E right in that same form. So it would be like so. The counter of the O is this elliptical counter. And the counter of the E also has that elliptical counter, but it also includes this teardrop shape. Two other letters in this family group that are just one stroke. The first is the C, and it's going to start with a 45-degree pen edge angle, and it's going to start with a horizontal stroke, going into the elliptical curve, and ending with the hairline at the baseline. Horizontal into the elliptical curve, touching the baseline, ending with a thin stroke. This S is going to have a horizontal beginning. We're going to flatten the pen edge angle just slightly for the S. Curve, and then it has a diagonal and a curve, and ending with a horizontal stroke. Remember, flatten the pen edge angle slightly for the S. Just looks better. Horizontal, curve, diagonal, curve, horizontal. Horizontal, curve, diagonal, curve, horizontal. Here is another version of the fleur-de-lis or the cosmic flower. This is done a little differently. This will be the first stroke. This will be the second stroke. And this will be the third stroke. And you have the fleur-de-lis or the cosmic flower. This is the first version. Just a decorative touch. So now look, plan, practice. Look for your personal best pen angle or best letter and give yourself a star. Now find a letter you could improve. Maybe it's the pen edge angle, maybe it's the letter shape, and practice this improved letter by writing it on a free space on the page. Good work.